चीनी सफारतखाना रब्बालकार मदम पेंग जोनसोया 2 मार्च बलोच दूदो रबीदिगे रूची दरगतावती कोलो वश न्यूज़ अमिन्नत गिफ्तगा और गुश्ते के राजानी दीमरुई चागिर वशहाली और दीमरुई बेद दूदो रबीदगा बुतनका पमा बलूच कल्चर डे वसीले बलूचिस्तान शानदार दूदो रबीदग अंगतक गेश्तर सरपत बुतकनी तिलगोशकनी रिपोर्टर.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, I am glad to address the Baloch Cultural Day and then thank VSH News TV for organizing this event. Balochistan is the largest province of Pakistan and has a long history. Baloch culture is a blend of century-old local customs and traditions with unique and distinctive features. Among them, Baloch ladies' traditional dress impresses me a lot. It is handmade by Baloch women with special patterns and is well known throughout the country. Such unique charm should be shown to the world through the Baloch Culture Day. Culture plays a vital role in the development of a nation, and the traditional culture is the root of a nation and a country. The development of history, the prosperity of society, and the progress of mankind cannot be achieved without the nourishment and the guidance of civilization and culture. To solve the various challenges faced by the world, it is also necessary to seek wisdom and draw nutrients from different civilizations. Social development requires not only economic power and technology, but also cultural power and civilization. China is always ready to strengthen cultural exchanges with Balochistan. President Xi Jinping points out that diversity spurs interaction among civilizations, which in turn promotes mutual learning and their further development. China and Pakistan should adhere to mutual respect and equality in cultural exchanges, uphold the beauty of each civilization and the diversity of civilizations in the world, stay open and inclusive, and learn from each other. It is hoped that through the Baloch Cultural Day, we may deepen our understanding of Balochistan's splendid culture. Wish the event a great success. Thanks.